Good evening, Puan. My name is Chandran. My matrix card number is 01DG22F2025. And then today I'd like to present on the case study. The case study scenario is you have been asked by your academic advisor to consult a polling system to select your class representative. The program must have at least these requirements and specifications: candidates registration, voters registration, polling process, polling results, and then with this is just the case study scenario, and this is the beginning of the coding, which is import Java util import Java util scanner class candidate for the first criteria which we done inside here: string name, semicolon, candidate string name, uh, open curly bracket, this dot names equals to name, semicolon, close curly bracket, string get name, close bracket, open bracket, and then open curly bracket, return name, semicolon, and then uh, close curly bracket, close again, and then class voter, open curly bracket, string name, semicolon, voter, open bracket, string name, close bracket, and then open curly bracket, this dot name equals to name, semicolon, close curly bracket, and then string get name, open bracket, close bracket, and then open curly bracket, return, semicolon, close twice, curly bracket. That's all for this coding. And then moving on to class polling system. For this, B array list candidates equals to new array list, and then we jump into array list voters equals to new array list, then semicolon, hash map, uh, pointing to left, candidate, comma, integer, vote count equals to new hash map, semicolon, and then void register candidates, close bracket, open bracket, curly bracket, open, scanner equals to new scanner system dot in, semicolon, system dot out print line, open bracket, equals to comma, candidate registration, and then close, comma, and then close bracket, semicolon, for integer I equals to 0, semicolon, I equals I greater than 3, semicolon, I plus plus, close bracket, which is standard, and then open curly bracket, system dot outprint, close open bracket, enter the name of candidate, then plus open bracket, I plus 1, close bracket, plus close bracket, semicolon, string candidate name equals to scanner dot next line, close bracket, open bracket, semicolon, candidate equals to new candidate, open bracket, candidate name, semicolon, candidates dot add candidate, semicolon, vote count dot put candidate, comma, 0, semicolon, close twice, curly bracket. So moving on to void register voters, open bracket, close bracket, curly bracket, open, scanner twice equals to new scanner system dot in, semicolon, system dot out print line, open bracket, voter registration, and then close bracket, semicolon, system dot out print, enter the new number of voters, close bracket, semicolon, integer number of voters equals to scanner dot next integer, close bracket, open bracket, semicolon, scanner dot next line, close bracket, open bracket, semicolon, for integer I dot 0, semicolon, I greater than number of voters, semicolon, I plus plus, close bracket, then open curly bracket, system dot outprint, enter the name of voter, plus I plus 1, then semicolon, string voter name equals to scanner dot next line, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, voter twice equals to new voter, close bracket, voter name, close bracket, semicolon, voters dot add voter, semicolon, then twice, close curly bracket. That is all from me. Moving on to polling process. Void polling process. Scanner equals the new scanner, open bracket, close bracket, system in, semicolon, for voter dot voters, system dot out dot print line, open bracket, close bracket, inside of it list of candidates, then semicolon, for open bracket, close bracket, int I equals to 0, semicolon, I greater than candidates dot size, close bracket, open bracket, semicolon, then I plus plus, close bracket, open curly bracket, system dot out print line, open bracket, double comma, number, close, plus open bracket, I equals to 1, I plus 1, and then plus, then plus again, and then candidates dot get, open bracket, close bracket, I dot get name, open bracket, close bracket, then semicolon to end, close the code, and then curly bracket, close, system dot out print, open bracket, voter get name, close bracket, open bracket, plus please enter the number of your preferred candidate, close bracket, semicolon, int choice equals to scanner dot next int, close bracket, open bracket, semicolon, candidate selected candidate equals to candidates dot get choice minus 1, semicolon, vote count point dot put, open bracket, selected candidate, comma, vote count dot get, open bracket, close bracket, selected candidate plus 1, close bracket, semicolon, system out print line thank you, plus voter get name plus you have voted, plus selected candidate dot get name plus as your class representative, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket twice, void polling result, close bracket, open bracket, open curly bracket, system dot out print line, open bracket, voting result, close bracket, semicolon, for candidate dot double dot vote count dot key set, close bracket, open bracket, close curly bracket, then open curly bracket, system dot out print line, open bracket, number of voters for plus candidate dot get name, open bracket, close bracket, plus double comma is double dot close double comma plus vote count dot get, open bracket, candidate, close bracket twice, semicolon, then curly bracket, close thrice. That is all. And then moving on, public class PBT, open curly bracket, public static void main, data type is string, close bracket, open bracket, args, close bracket, open curly bracket, polling system PS equals to new polling system, close bracket, open bracket, semicolon, PS register candidates, close bracket, open bracket, semicolon, PS registrative voters, close bracket, open bracket, semicolon, PS polling process, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, PS polling result, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, then close curly bracket twice. Candidate registration. Enter the name of candidate 1, 2, 3, which is Ali Bang Ahmad. Voter registration. Enter the number of voters, which is 3 candidates or voters. Enter the name of vote number 1, Devesh Amirul, and the third is optional, another name of your choice. List of candidates, which is 3, Ali Bang Ahmad. Then please enter the number of preferred candidate 1. Thank you, Devesh. You have voted Ali as your class representative. List of candidates number 1, 2, 3, which is Ali Bang Ahmad. Amirul, please enter the number of your preferred candidate 2. Thank you, Amirul. You have voted Bang as your class representative. List of candidates number 1, 2, 3. Ali Bang Ahmad. Another voter. Please enter the number of preferred candidate 2. Thank you. Another voter. You have voted Bang as your class representative. Voting result. Number of voters. Ali is 1. Voter number 2 is Bang. Number 3 is Ahmad. And that's all from me. Thank you.